Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Reddit account. So if you also want to log in Reddit account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Reddit is a social media platform where users called Redditors can submit their contents like links, text posts, images and videos which are then voted up and down by other users within specific interest-based communities. So if you also want to log into your Reddit account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Reddit application on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the Reddit application has been opened, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options for login over here. You can either continue with Google or continue with your email or username. If you want to continue with your email or username, simply tap on the option use email or username. Now after that, you'll be led to the login interface of Reddit. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. Over here, what you have to do is enter your email or username. After that, also enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can also find the option for forgot password over here. Now after you enter your credentials, over here in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for continue. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Reddit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.